What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about Pepe coin. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in, and if you're new around here, consider smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. The entire crypto market has been on a correction over the last few days, and today, after the FOMC meeting here in the US, the market went absolutely parabolic. Bitcoin recovering 9% on the day, ETH almost 11%. Though we got the news about the SEC and trying to say that Ethereum's a security, Solana up 10% on the day as well. Things are looking pretty dang good. 24-hour top gainers, we have Floki, Stacks, Thorchain, and amongst the top 5 most gainers, we have Pepe up 24% on the day. So what in the world's going on? Why did the market tank? And why are we finally recovering? Well, we'll go ahead and talk about it, but really just different liquidation events that had to happen. We needed entries for people to come in that were sidelined. It's a healthy part of any bull market or any significant run-up. We need to see cool-off periods followed by, again, the continued rally. So right now, Bitcoin basically double bottomed at 61,000. It did so on March 6th, and it did so again on March 20th, which is actually really good, showing us where we might have a pretty strong support line. And if that's the case, 30 days leading up to the halving, I can pretty much now start guessing that, hey, if we do correct again, we will probably fall back down to where we just were, which is 61K, but the upside is a lot bigger. So now when it comes to risk taking and maybe bigger investors, venture capital firms, institutions, they're going to be more confident and comfortable that the market knows where it wants to go. And that is right now in the more positive direction. And I always tell people, whenever we're seeing crashes, that's the time to start accumulating. If we look at the year chart for Bitcoin, it still looks absolutely crazy. And of course, the all-time, we're at near all-time highs. But again, a lot is yet to be seen for the entire crypto market. But I'm going to touch on the news. So the Pepe Twitter account tweeted this and says, I don't care about this particular Psyop, honestly. It was from DB, and it was a quote tweet. I didn't even like it. It says here, the SEC is waging a campaign to classify Ethereum as a security via fortune from DB as a news source. And it says here, for the more detailed information, the Securities and Exchange Commission is waging an energetic legal campaign to classify Ethereum, the second most popular cryptocurrency, as a security, according to the U.S. companies that have received subpoenas related to the investigation. The news delivers a further blow to the crypto industry's hopes that the agency will approve applications by BlackRock and others for an Ethereum ETF following the SEC's approval of a series of Bitcoin ETFs back in January. Following this news, there was a little bit of a tanking in the market, but people quickly came to realize and say, wait a second. Didn't Ripple undergo something similar in terms of its case? Didn't Solana at some point, wasn't that considered a security? So again, with Ethereum, as soon as that news dropped, we saw it kind of drop for a little bit, followed by a pretty big run-up. So again, don't be someone that just follows into whatever you see on headlines or big news articles. I think, again, when you look at it overall, the market is looking good. Pepe up 22%, $1.9 billion exchanged to hands of traders. I'm loving the volume that we're seeing. A big congratulations to everybody that is able to stomach volatility and double down on the dip instead of selling and panicking at the bottom. I appreciate you. And until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.